Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to change privacy settings on Twitter. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and tap on the Twitter application, which is now changed as X application. Simply tap on it and then you will be appear with this type of screen interface. So in order to change your privacy settings, what you're gonna do is tap on that little profile icon and then go ahead and click on settings and privacy. Now you will be appear with your Twitter settings. So in order to change your privacy settings, what you're gonna do is click on privacy and safety, and then here you can change your privacy and settings. So for instance, I'm changing this. As you can see on the screen, you can change any settings of your choice. So that's how easily you can change privacy settings on Twitter. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.